Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer eFootball progress data from Android to iPhone. So all you have to do right now is open this app, the eFootball, and go to the extras and then go to this support. Here you can link your data. So make sure you save your data. By linking your data, you will able to continue playing on that account even if you switch devices at a later date. So if you switch to iPhone or vice versa, your data will be saved by linking your account using Konami ID. This one. If you're using Google Play, it's like transfer your data from Android to Android. But if you link with Konami ID here, you can tap it. You can save and you can open this up your progress when you install the eFootball on iPhone. So you can link it by proceed. You can register your email and address as new as user here, or user who registered the email with address with another Konami app. So you can choose between these two options. So please feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. See you in the next video.